Hello everybody, today I would like to show you this light up micro USB cable which is 2.1 amps. It was contacted by this company right there and they asked me if I can take a look at their product, so here it is. Now was at the Dollar Tree for $1, it says nothing on the back, but we can go and open it up. Here it is. Okay, now this was brand new, like I'm saying, brand new cable. So let me go ahead and untie this real quick. Try to do this with one hand. Hopefully I don't have a tripod mount on me. And hopefully I can. Let's see. Well, I'm able to do so, whatever. Hold on. Okay. Here it is. Now I'm gonna plug it into a power bank here. Let's give it a run to charge some devices. Let's see, which one do we got? I got the Kelvik. I definitely got the Kelvik power bank today. Let's plug it in. And give it a run. Bro, the Five Below, it was, I think, 3 months old or something like that. Okay, plugged in. Oh, did I adjust the brightness on this? Okay, there we go. Now it is lining up the cable, and if you stretch out the cable, you closely see the LEDs light up. You closely see, you know? Now, we're gonna plug in some devices. First, let's start off with the Aconic wireless shower speaker. See if that will charge. Let's see how does it charge. Oh, the blue is glowing. I think it's glowing green. Let's plug it in, see if it can charge up. And, let's see, let me plug it in. All the way in. Now, it is charging the speaker up. You can charge any device, your Aconic speakers, wireless shower speaker, power bank, any device that has a USB cable. Or you can plug this into an adapter or a car charger or a computer, something like that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of my e-circuit light up micro USB cable, which is 2.1 amps. And also, please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.